In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Samsung OLED or QD OLED TV settings right out of the box. These steps will give you the most accurate picture, smoother performance, and a better overall viewing experience. Let's dive straight in. First, press the gear button on your remote, go to All Settings, Picture Mode, and select Filmmaker mode. This mode gives you the most accurate picture, no motion smoothing, no fake contrast, just pure cinematic quality. Now, tweak one thing. Lower the contrast from the default 45 down to about 38. That small change prevents color shift and keeps bright details from being clipped. Next, let's disable Samsung's automatic brightness adjustment. Go to Settings, General and Privacy, Power and Energy Saving, and turn brightness optimization off. This ensures your TV's brightness stays consistent, no matter the room lighting, perfect for stable, accurate visuals. Quick note, you'll need to turn this off separately for each picture mode you use, like Filmmaker or Movie mode. Now, head to Settings, Device Care, Panel Care. Here, turn off pixel shifting and adjust logo brightness. These features are designed to reduce burn-in, but they can make the screen dim or shift slightly, especially during bright scenes or with static logos. Disabling them gives you a more stable and evenly lit picture. And don't worry, your TV still has built-in protections against burn-in. Finally, let's make your startup faster. Go to Settings, General and Privacy, Start Screen Options, and turn off Start with Smart Hub Home. With this off, your TV will power on directly to the last HDMI input instead of the sluggish home screen, so you can get to watching instantly. And that's it. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick TV setup tips, and enjoy your perfectly tuned Samsung OLED.